I'm Sonali. In this video, I will tell you different uses of Google Forms. I had created separate videos for this. I will provide the link of those videos in description box. Before starting with this, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for new videos. First use, you can create contact information form or you can create a customer database with the help of Google Forms. You can create registration form. Registration forms like event registration, webinar registration, course registration, classes registration, etc. You can create feedback forms with the help of Google Forms to collect the feedback from parents, followers, users, subscribers, and from the customers. You can create order form to accept orders. Here you can use the different options of Google Forms. You can use the checkboxes to accept the order. You can create job application with the help of Google Forms. You can collect the different information from the applicant and resume of applicant also. You can use the facility to upload the file in this Google Form. We can conduct online exams with the help of Google Forms. Here are different options for answer types also. Multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, grid, and drop-down list. Multiple options we can use in Google Forms. Create an auto-grading quiz with the help of Google Forms. You can set the correct answer for the questions. So Google Forms automatically checks the answers. You can set the instant feedback for the answers. Google Forms create the one Google Sheet in which you will get all detailed information of responses, number of marks scored, and all the answers given by the participant. You can grade short and long answer responses with the help of Google Forms. Here need to check short and long answer responses manually. You can create conditional quiz. Depending on the some questions, some answers, you can create the different sections in the form. You can set the timer with the Google Forms. You can do the limited time for your quiz, means 1 hour or 30 minutes or 20 minutes for quiz. For this, you need add-on Timify Me. These add-ons are free and you can use these add-ons with your Google Forms by installing it from the Google Store. You can set limited response time for quiz. Here you can set the limited number of responses and limited time for your link of the quiz. For this you need one add-on Form Limiter. You can create online Viva schedule or meetings with the help of Google Forms. This use the add-on Choice Eliminator. This add-on helps you to reduce the choices after one response. So it will not show in the previous option for the next one. You can use this for parent-teacher online meeting appointments for the time slot selection. You can use this for give the students option for project topic. You can generate certificate automatically for competitions or for quiz with the help of add-on Certify Me. You can generate 100 certificates per day. If you have purchased the G Suite, you can send more certificates per day. You can complete the online submission of project report, assignment. You can submit the document online. You can conduct the different competitions like poster competition, drawing competition, PPT making competition, video making competitions. Here you can provide the option to the student to attach, to upload the file here, file of PDF, doc file, sheet file, or any image file. You can create admission forms with the help of Google Forms. You can take online attendance on Google Classroom with the help of Google Forms. Just create the Google Forms and paste link in a Google Classroom. You can do the assessment of the students with the help of Google Forms. For this, you can use the ready-made template. You can do the survey for the different topics for your research. You can create the survey forms for health survey, educational survey, social survey, or any type of survey as per your requirement. You can create online polls with the help of Google Forms. We can create the workflows. You can create flexible, multi-level and dynamic workflows with condition with the help of Google Forms and add-ons. You can manage the bookings with the help of calendar. You can use these Google Forms to manage the various type of bookings. We can use these Google Forms for getting ideas. Evaluate your website or app with the help of Bitmoji, different checkboxes and different options of answer type. You can evaluate your website and app. You can create the tracking log of expenses, exercise, or productivity. You can generate the invoice with the help of add-on Form Publisher. If you are using the Google Forms for different purpose, please write in the comments. Thank you.